Hi, I'm Daryl Jones, the Director of Research at Hedgeye Risk Management. I'm joined by my colleague Howard Penney, who's our sector head in charge of restaurants. Today we're going to talk about one of his best short ideas, Potbelly Corporation, tickers PBPB. So Potbelly just reported, as Howard predicted, results were worse than expected, but for now we're going to get an update from Howard on the results and what to expect going forward.
Thanks, Daryl. So Potbelly is one of four names that we like on the short side. We actually have four casual dining names in the Hedgeye Best Idea list. Bloomin' Brands, Potbelly, Panera, and Cheesecake Factory. And Potbelly, I think, is indicative of what's going on in the industry today. One, we were at the weather and snow in the Northeast, and same-store sales came up a little light, but most importantly, as you can see on that chart, they're declining. The red line's declining on a 2-year trend. And I would look at the estimates for the next couple of quarters as being way too aggressive.
And then I guess, drilling down to the company, longer term, sort of what's your view on the company and their growth potential?
So Potbelly is a basic sandwich chain, right? There's no different than a Subway or a Jersey Mike's or any one of these other chains out there. So, there's a lot of them. The competition's heavy. It's a well-run company, but I think when you look at what matters most about the future development and future growth, that's the growth in the average unit volumes. And again, you can see this quarter a decline, in the average unit volumes year over year, which speaks to, the growth prospects of the company. You need to see that line growing, or up and to the right, not low and to the left.
So yeah, it makes a lot of sense. So the stock, obviously, weaker earnings, stock down about 10%. How do we think about valuation from here and where the stock can go, I guess, going forward?
So I say it's egregiously overvalued. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's 50 to 60 times earnings. The growth prospects are okay, not great, and some of the future metrics, as we just pointed out, are not that great. And it's trading at a premium to a company like Chipotle, which is a real company that has great growth prospects and reinventing the industry to a certain degree. So clearly, this company is way overvalued as we see it.
Okay. So just to reiterate, Potbelly, one of Howard's best idea shorts. We still think it's wildly overvalued despite the weaker than expected earnings that came out. And we're staying short this one. We think the valuation's too high and has to come down. And if you have any questions, feel free to tweet Howard at HedgeyeHWP. Thanks.